Oh, welcome!
Welcome to our channel, Stress Induced Left Eye Twitch. I'm Jillian.
And I'm Bo. And today, we have my favorite of all favorite subscription boxes, FAB FIT Fun.
Oh, I'm so excited!
Sorry, I blew my nose and that's why it's all red.
Oh, it's okay. I didn't notice it was red.
If you don't know what FAB FIT Fun is, I think it is a 4 times, like a seasonal box, 4 times a year. So this is...
How much is it? No idea?
I think it's 30 something.
I think it's 40 something.
No, it's not. I think it's... I don't remember.
Maybe there's a receipt. I get the paper.
Okay, no, I get the paper.
Okay, fine.
And...
you always get everything.
Actually, you always get the paper.
I know.
I was going to tell him something, but I forgot. If I remember, I'll tell you guys.
Let's get into it.
All right.
Okay, here we go.
We're starting it off like this.
Wow.
We have a coupon for HelloFresh.
Ooh.
Oh,
sorry.
$50
off.
off.
Let me see. I want to see.
Okay.
Ooh, $25 off your first 2 boxes and free shipping. Are you going to do this?
We'll see. I don't cook, so...
Should I take it then?
You can have it if you're actually going to use it.
Are you going to actually use it?
We'll talk about it. I haven't seen what you're talking about even.
Okay, so can I pick the first
yep,
thing?
And then...
Mother! Okay, this is by Maya Brenner from LA.
This is a $65 dainty piece with a statement.
Oh.
What is it?
It says love.
Oh, it's cute. I wish it was like gold or
what
rose
is it?
gold.
Is
it's
it
a bracelet. Yeah, it says it's a dainty.
Oh. Mama!
This is a Maya Brenner designed love bracelet.
Guys, don't look at my nails. It's so cute. I do wish it was like a little bit different, like gold, like
the other option was gold.
Oh man, Mother!
That's okay. I love.
You're gonna be kicked out of this room.
$65 for that thing?
That's crazy. I wish. I feel like you're never gonna wear this because it's silver.
Okay. My wedding ring is silver. My wedding ring.
Oh, that's true. This is by Ish. It's a lip statement.
Ew,
palette.
this looks ugly. It's $42 and it's all lip stuff. This is definitely going in the
or to mom
giveaway. Yeah, this is has jojoba oil, shea butter, olive oil, aloe vera, and you can mix and match for endless color combinations.
I feel like we will never, ever use this. So let's open this up. Oh, no, let's keep that on there. It looks brand new then. Oh.
It looks like what you used to get from, like...
Claire's.
Yeah. You know that Claire's is getting sued because they have asbestos in their makeup?
Yes, I saw that. Wasn't that on Kelly's post? I think it was.
I don't know where I read stuff anymore. It just comes
just
into
social
my brain.
media. Okay, the next thing. Are you ready?
Ready. So that was $42.
This thingy.
Literally, guys, that lip thing was the cost of the box. Oh, okay.
What is this?
Okay, this is a $60. Say hello to the cutest clutches around.
Oh.
Designer Rachel Pally picked these pattern
Bo,
kits.
you're gonna love this.
They're reversible. Yes, 2 clutches in 1.
Let's see what color you're gonna get though. Ooh, girl, that's cute.
Did I get the cute one? I did get the cute one. I don't like this one.
But look, you can just wear it like this.
That's
too.
super cute.
Right? You'll use that all the time.
I use one that our cousin makes.
Cousin, yeah.
That's really cute.
It comes in this cute bag.
Yeah, that's like what rich people get.
Yeah.
Like, I'm like a Kardashian.
But were you the one that said in our last video, you were like, there's dirt in the box because it's spring?
Yeah.
I didn't even notice you said that.
I said it probably like 4 times. I think I was like, there's dirt.
I think I was so worried about the mess, I didn't notice.
Such a weirdo. That was $60. So far, our box is up to
this thing.
$162. Okay, this looks like something I'm going to put in my hospital bag. This is a massage roller.
Oh, it's so bulky.
This is $20. Throw it in your carry-on bag when traveling. They let you bring that on a carry-on?
You could literally
Yeah, this is metal. I don't think that you guys have accurate, like,
This is nice though.
PSA regulations.
Should I try it on your back?
No, but I will be using that.
Can I try it on your
No,
arm?
it looks
just
very...
your arm.
Guys, my back has been hurting so badly, so hopefully that will help.
How much was this? 20?
Yeah, 20. So now we're at 180.
I see something real dumb in here.
What is that?
Dove exfoliating body pollen.
That's sponsored. That's one of their sponsored items. Sponsored items are always a bonus.
Wait, guys, we got this. How come you guys can't see it? We got this in another box. I think it was a Target box.
I think it was the Walmart box.
Maybe. That sounds better. Like it was more accurate. Okay, next up, this thingy.
Okay.
By KNC Beauty.
These are infused lip mask 5 packs for $25.
Ooh, will you use these?
Probably. Will they help, like,
Here, maybe you really,
hydrate me?
Yes.
Great, I'll use them.
So this says all natural. It is to help with conditioning, moisturizing, plump, and hydrating.
If you hear that, it's a movie.
It's Superman in the basement. And Mom just milling about, cleaning and picking up. Okay, next up. Ooh, you could put this in your hospital bag.
Free
Is this
people?
like free people?
Okay, so this
They
is
could have given you like a shirt from Free
This
People.
is a vegan leather eye mask featured removable non-toxic cooling inserts to help you feel refreshed.
Oh, you'll use this for
Guys,
your headaches.
$40. I have 2 of those in my freezer.
Do you want to put this in a
And they were
giveaway?
from Walmart. But this is a Free People.
Yeah.
I can be a stylish headache person.
You can be a Kardashian headache person.
These are what the Kardashians wear for their headaches. Let's try it on.
Okay, do it, Bob. Do it.
Ooh, my head's not that small.
Oh, look at you.
It smells like vegans.
Oh, guys.
I didn't mean it like that. Don't put that. Like, don't say, after I said it smells like vegan. I said it's vegan leather.
Does not smell like vegan.
Why does it smell like that?
It smells like what my house smells like because we live next to the dog food factory. No, it smells
You're
like
right. It does. This is what it smells
dog
like.
food. It literally smells like dog food. Like, literally, when the wind blows a specific way at my house, you cannot even go outside, and it permeates into my house.
Wait, so do I not get all of these? I just get some of these?
I don't think you get everything.
Yeah, because I don't think I have that.
It's like, there's like 2, like, this is an item that you only get
the
one
choice.
of.
So I get this or this.
Okay, ready? Next up, by number 14, Super Blue.
Okay. This is a candle.
Ooh.
For $45.
You could pack this for your hospital bag.
Wait, but is this like real life? I don't really understand how these are.
And they don't even smell that good.
Do they just put, this is Manhattan Beach, fresh linen, or super blue?
I said Super Blue.
Man, I wanted fresh linen
Yeah.
or Manhattan. No, it smells really good.
It smells okay, but not $45.
No,
okay.
I feel like I've smelled this, but it is, I like this smell a lot. I think it's this copperness. This is the aesthetic.
Can I tell you their slogan? We believe in good. We believe in light.
Did anyone hear her?
That each of us have the power to make an impact every day.
Julie, did you hear what you said?
What?
Do you want to hear their Logan? It's slogan.
I think I was thinking slogan and logo, and I called Logan.
Do you want to hear their Logan?
Bro, did you listen? We believe in good. We believe in light. We believe that each of us have the power to make an impact every day.
We're going to get so much hate on this video because we're making fun of
okay, so
the Kardashians.
Do you want to know? I love Kardashians. I love Kardashians more than anyone loves Kardashians.
But
I don't know if you
Mom's
guys can
not
hear that.
anything
Mom,
either.
sit down.
I know this smell.
Basil, tangerine leaf, anise, violet, geranium, lily of the valley, jasmine, rose, rosewood, and cashmere musk. We are going to kick you so far out of this house.
Okay, can you put my...
No, can you just sit down and say hello?
Can you put my $40 candle with?
Mom, do you want to smell the $40 candle?
Only if I get higher ratings when I'm in the video.
Okay, next. Okay, so this is by Dare Melect.
Okay, so this is a makeover concealing ridge filler. What does that mean? Oh, for your nails? If you have ridges? Oh,
do you have ridges?
I don't think so, but that's going too far.
You have ridges, you need a medical evaluation.
Ridges in your nails?
Can I try it on my nails?
Yeah, let's try it.
How much is it?
$18. Apply as a base or a top coat, and you can wear it alone for a nice sheen. But how would it fill the ridges if you wore it as a top coat?
Maybe it fills in the ridges.
I see your ridges, so let's see if it's filled in. But
wait, you think Mom just said people who have ridges need medical conditions?
Ridges on yours.
I do. Mom, add that to my list of problems. I was just telling Mom all my problems.
Can I see?
Can I ask our viewers something?
What? Ask
Okay,
them.
guys.
I don't own you.
I have a real medical problem.
Jeez.
I get really hot, burning, tingling feet at night. And it's mostly at night, but it sometimes happens during the day too. Do you guys know what that is? And I'm not pregnant, so don't say that.
I was gonna say I get that, but I think it's because I've gained so much weight in such a small amount of time.
I got it a lot when I was pregnant, but I use insoles in my shoes.
Maybe you just have poor circulation.
I think that there's something wrong with my feet.
She always thinks something's wrong, and she always goes to like the weirdest things that could possibly be wrong. She's convinced she has diabetes.
Guys, I could. You don't know.
Okay, but guys, why are we putting this on our nails for ridge filling?
Okay.
Did it do anything?
I don't know. I'm waiting for it to dry. Are you ready for the next thing?
There's anything else? Oh.
This is by Murid. I love Murid.
Is this my skin stuff
or
you got me?
No, this is a different one, but it's still that same brand.
You got me that brand, yeah.
Yeah.
This is $40.
This is a skin perfecting lotion. I got you the cleanser for like when you were having those bumps.
Yeah, guys, I had so many bumps.
Look, Bo.
Don't forget to use this lotion on your neck and chest to get full coverage.
That's so nice. Do you have any makeup on your face?
No, not like just eye makeup.
Here's a little extra special for you. A 20% Ulta coupon.
You want it? You can
No, I don't put Ulta. I told you I'm not wearing makeup anymore.
No, she's in this weird phase. Come see her in October.
Yeah,
and she'll
October
be back
next
to it.
year. I'll have full glam.
Whoa, that's good stuff.
Oh, that's for your face and neck, though.
Why can
I could put it on my face because I don't have any
It just says
on.
skin.
Oh.
Ooh, but I should use it because I'm almost out of
Plus,
mine.
it's $40.
But I
so
feel like I should be, I gotta order my stuff. Is that everything?
Bo, you know that Costco brand lotion you gave me?
Yeah.
I used it all.
That's what I use all the time, and now I'm done with
all of it. Can we get more?
Yeah, we
gotta
more.
tell Dad.
We have
Dad
this
goes
good
to
stuff,
Costco.
and it's the only stuff like my face moisturizer, and it won't make me break out. It's called Madewell or something like that.
Oh, it's so good, Mom. Mine is coconut, and she gave me like this big of a tub. I used it all.
It's not coconut oil. It's literally like coconut oil infused with lotion.
Oh,
mine is
jojoba oil.
No, mine's not. Mine is marula oil,
Oh,
and
yeah,
then
marula.
I have another one. The hair stuff. What's that?
Yeah.
What's that stuff that they put on your
Argan.
hair? Argan oil.
All right, well, that was the whole box.
Okay,
what
so
do you think? What's your favorite thing?
The clutch is my favorite. Can I see my stuff? Where is it?
It's all over there.
Okay, so the clutch I will definitely use.
This she'll use.
The massage roller I would probably use.
It's like a weapon.
This is my nail if you want to see it with that sheen on it.
The lip stuff I will use.
No, you won't.
Like the lip
masks.
masks. I will not use that. But I think these are always my favorite boxes. Because
I'm going to use that HelloFresh coupon.
Let me see that.
And no, this not going to be for you. But let me just see. All right, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye.
I don't mean that vegan smell.